Hey everyone, is proxy media not generating in CapCut? Yeah, that can make editing super laggy and frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix CapCut, proxy media not generating, and get smooth playback again. First, open CapCut settings and make sure proxy is actually turned on. So look for the performance or proxy option and enable automatic proxy generation. Next, try generating the proxy manually. Yeah, right-click your clip in the media bin and select Create Proxy. Sometimes the auto option doesn't trigger. Proxy files need free disk space. If your drive is nearly full, CapCut may fail to generate them. Free up some storage and try again. Now, clear CapCut's cache, corrupted cache files can block proxy creation. Go to Settings, find cache, and clear it, then restart the app. If proxies still won't generate, check your video format. Yeah, some uncommon codecs may cause issues. Converting the clip to a standard MP4 often fixes it. Finally, make sure CapCut is fully updated. So, older versions sometimes have proxy bugs that are already fixed in newer updates. And that's it. Your CapCut proxy media should now generate properly for smooth editing. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick editing fixes.